guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing this Korean toastie. It's a cabbage and some vegetables sandwich, and it's really good and delicious and really healthy. So without talking too much, let's get started. I have some eggs here, as you can see. I have 4 eggs here. I'll put all the measurement down below, and I want to spice my eggs. So first of all, I'll add some salt, just a pinch of salt. Okay, not a lot of salt, and then I'll add a bit of black pepper, okay, and then you mix it. So guys, I've already mixed that, so that is done. I'm going to add my vegetables. I have some spring onions, okay, and some carrots. I love carrots, and have some white onions as well. And then I have my cabbage. And then we mix it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to fry this, and then I'll add some bits and pieces to the toastie. So just keep on watching. Right guys, so I'm going to do the toastie now. So I've got some butter in the pan. Right, so the next bit, I have some bread. Okay, slice of bread. I've already buttered the back, so I'll just put that there. Okay. Right, so the next bit I want to do is to add my cabbage mixture, and then I have some ham. Okay, add the ham, and then I add some cheese. And then you put your other bread on top of it. So I just want the bottom bit to be much more crispier before I turn it. Alright, so guys, it has been about 3 minutes, so I'm just turning my toastie. It looks so good. Right guys, so this is our toasty made. Okay, this is our Korean toast. Got this a lot of vegetables in it, and it's really good and nice, and it tastes so nice. So I just want to cut it. You can hear the crisps. Just look at that. Okay, let's look at the toasty, and you will love it. It tastes really good. You can see that. Okay, so if you like this recipe guys, it's really good and you can do it with your kids, and it's not really difficult to do. Okay, so if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.